The grower separates the onions according to variety and size, then either bags them for sale whole or sells them to a processing plant. At the processing plant, workers load the onions on a conveyor that leads to the peeling and cutting stations. A cutter chops off each bulb's top and tail simultaneously. It also scores the skin to prep it for peeling. The onions then move into a custom-designed peeling machine. It uses a combination of air and water pressure to blow off the skin. The onions then roll off the peeler and pass before quality control workers who swiftly cut away bruises and any other imperfections, as well as anything the cutter and peeler might have missed. The next machine rinses the onions with cold, ozonated water that kills bacteria. Then the onions pass through a metal detector, just as a precautionary measure. At this point, there's a fork in the processing road. One direction leads to slicing, the other to dicing. On the slicing line, workers load the onions into tubes that feed slicing blades. These blades are adjustable to output slices anywhere from 1.5 to 25 millimeters thick. Workers gather up the complete slices and fill 2.3 kilogram plastic trays. A conveyor moves the trays through a machine that seals them with plastic film. The film has micro-perforations designed to allow in just the right amount of oxygen to keep the onions fresh.